Hey everyone, let's get straight to the ingredients. No intro in this one. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, chili oil, sriracha sauce, sesame oil, honey, cornstarch, salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, ramen noodles, and 3 chicken breasts. First things first, we remove that one gross nerve from each chicken breast and clean out any other weird parts. We dry the chicken and throw them in a bowl with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sriracha, and give it all a good mix to make sure everything is coated. We double wrap the bowl and press on the sides to make sure it's well sealed and throw it in the fridge overnight. For the sauce, we start 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, the dark soy sauce was optional, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and we vigorously mix it together. We turn on the heat for some water to boil, and while we do that, we preheat the oven and cook the chicken. We warm a pan that we will cook the sauce with on low, and we will turn it because that's what they did on TikTok. We add the noodles to the boiling water for 1 minute, and then we add the noodles into the sauce and mix. At this point, I knew something was wrong because the sauce consistency was off. It looked something like this. Not very impressive. Alright guys, we finally reached the time of tasting. Needless to say, this recipe annoyed me from start to finish. And yes, it is a TikTok recipe. So already that alone, I wasn't too fond of it. But somebody really insisted that I must make this TikTok meal prep recipe. And as expected, it does not look like it does in the TikTok. What I saw from the video that had 15 million views was exactly what I made. I made the exact same thing. And for some reason, the chicken looks completely different in that video than it does here. My chicken right now looks more pale than I do. This chicken looks as though it's allergic to spices and seasoning, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this will actually taste of something. I also don't know why when they made the meal prep that they didn't put any veggies in here. There's clearly enough space, not only in my Tupperwares, but in Tupperware in the video. And for obvious reasons, I won't mention the exact TikTok just because I don't have TikTok, because I'm trying to save whatever few brain cells I have left and I can't afford to lose them using that app. Anyway, let's go straight to tasting. So what I can say is, to my surprise, the noodles are good. They taste good. The sauce is mixed well in them. However, I can't say the same for this chicken. This chicken really tastes as bad as it looks. Like, this looks like pale, white, uncooked chicken, and it tastes like unspiced, uncooked chicken. Therefore, I'm likely going to separate the noodles and the chicken from these Tupperwares once I'm done making this video. And I'm going to use the noodles with perhaps another protein that I decide to make afterwards. And the chicken, I'm going to somehow try and recycle it and maybe throw it in some stir fry with other vegetables and maybe a different sauce. And hopefully we can mask whatever this sort of lack of flavor is. There we have it, guys. We're gonna keep it short because just don't do any of these TikTok recipes. Nothing you see on TikTok is real. Between the 12-year-olds twerking, between the extreme cringe dances that I see, even in this video, while the individual was putting this together, they were doing these weird cringy dances. Whatever you see on TikTok, just stop using that app. I mean, apart from the Chinese spying on you, stop using that app. I mean, it's poisonous. I don't even know why I made this meal. I might not even upload this video. We'll just stop it there. Don't make TikTok recipes, please. Just make your own. Stop looking at recipes on TikTok. They're not good. You know what? Just go to T-shirt cooking. It's this really good YouTube channel that unfortunately is financially suffering, but they do make some unique and easy to make recipes that anybody could throw together with minimal experience, skill, and tools. Thank you, everyone. Hope to see you in the next episode.